Hi friends, it's me, Bri. Today, let's draw a picture together. A little while ago, I did a live bedtime story of this book, Goodnight Spaceman, and I'm still thinking about some of the things I made. I made a helmet and a shooting star. But I also drew a rocket, a spaceship, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw one too. It's another Bri Draws. Follow me on Instagram and use the hashtag. You'll need some paper, a black pen or marker, something to color with. I'm using crayons, scissors, and something to decorate with, like special papers, stickers, whatever you have. Rockets are tall, so my paper's running up and down. I'll tilt it just a little bit and start at the top. Go down and stop. Now come down on the other side and make the top a little pointy. Don't close the shape all the way. Leave a space here. This is where we'll draw one of 3 fins. Yeah, fins. Rockets have fins, just like fish do. It helps them cut through the air easier as they're going up to outer space. 1 fin on the left, 1 on the right, and 1 in front. Next, we'll draw 2 boosters. This is where the rocket fuel comes out. It gives the rocket thrust, so it has power to go up, 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 and away. Now this rocket is ready to soar. This next part is called the nose cone. It has to stay pointy. This is the part of the rocket where the payload sits. Sometimes it's supplies, sometimes it's satellites, and sometimes it's even people. Our rocket has astronauts inside. Let's give them a window to look out. Maybe they'll even see Earth. Different parts of the rocket come off when they're not used anymore. They're just too big and heavy to carry around in outer space. Now it's time to color. I'm coloring the fins of my rocket red, but please choose any color you like. I want to see what color you chose. Please use the hashtag BriDraws on Instagram and show me. I think I'll add some more red on these lines and on the nose cone too. For the body of the rocket, I'm choosing an ocean blue color. I'm keeping with the colors of NASA, from America where I'm from. But please use your creativity and make any colored rocket you like. Next, I'll use gray for the boosters and for the trim around the window. Now orange for the fire. It helps me stay in the lines when I outline the object first, then fill it in. I'll use just a teeny tiny bit of yellow for these lines, because I'm going to cover them with a special sticker later. And dark blue for the window, but I'm also covering the window with special paper later. This is just in case the paper doesn't cover everything. It's time for decorations. I live in Japan, so I have lots of origami paper. Some of the papers are shiny. Some of them are plain. And some of them are like foil. I'll choose a few that I will experiment with to see what I like best. Use whatever you have to make your rocket special. I chose a shiny light blue paper to make the window. I'm just guessing how big the window is and trimming it to fit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Next, I'll use a shiny yellow paper to make some more flames for my rocket booster fire. Last but not least, I'll decorate with some golden tape. I just trim it to the size I want and stick it on. Please use whatever decorations you have at home. Whoopsie! I almost forgot to glue my decorations. I only have a hot glue gun. It's pretty dangerous for kids, so if you only have this, make sure you ask a grown-up for help. Ta-da! The coloring and decorating is finished. Now it's time to cut out the rocket and put it on a stick. If you don't have small scissors made for kids, make sure to ask a grown-up for help on this part too. I want to play with my rocket and hold it up on a stick, so I'm going to use chopsticks. I have lots at my house. The wooden chopstick is a little bit heavy, so I'm using a super duty super glue. But you can use tape instead. And there you go! One super cool rocket! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Thank you for drawing with me today. Now you can go on space adventures anytime you want. Please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.